What is going on, everybody? It is Audacity Trades here, teaching you how to make money in the crypto space. And today we're going to be talking about how much money can you make mining Bitcoin. So on my previous video, you guys can check out, this is all about the profitability of mining. My last video was talking about how to actually get set up and how to actually get mining Bitcoin on your computer, but this one is showing you how much money you can actually make, so you don't really have to go through the whole process of figuring out, because if you don't think it's worth it, then obviously it's not worth going through that entire process. So this video is going to be short, sweet, simple, and to the point, so make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification to keep notified every single time I post a video, because we have been posting some bangers recently, just like the bounce off $47,000 on Bitcoin, which I told you guys was probably going to be the bottom of the market and told you to buy. But anyways, today we're talking about nice hash profitability. So if you guys want to find out how much money you can make with your computer, what you guys are going to want to do is type in nice hash profitability. So you guys will see right here, profitability calculator through nice hash. You guys can click on that. It's going to bring you to this page right here. You guys can auto detect hardware. If you have no clue what CPU and what GPU you have, you guys can download this, run it, and it will automatically enter what CPU and GPU you have. Or you can come here to enter hardware manually if you don't want to download anything, and if you already know what you have. You guys can see here the currency, whatever currency you guys want, if you're like Great British Pounds or US dollars like me, or Canadian Maple Leafs, either way. Your electricity cost, we're going to keep this the same. And you guys can see you can add devices here. So you can add CPUs and GPUs. So for instance, my bigger computer, I have two computers. I have one with an i9-10900K, and I have one with an RTX ROG 3080. And we can click that. We can click calculate. You guys will be seeing off this, I am making almost $8 a day. And then down here, you guys should see the profit, because it breaks it down through income, electricity cost, and your profit. So you guys can see in 1 month, I'm making about $265. Now, I have two computers, like I told you guys, so we can add another two devices. I'll add my i7-9700K, and then we will add a 2070, because that is my other less powerful computer, and then we can calculate them together, and you guys can see I'll be earning about $11.27. Keep in mind, this is an approximation. It can go up, it can go down, but you guys can see here, a day after electricity costs, we're talking $11.27, just under $100 a week, and almost $400 a month. Again, this is an approximation. And what this is not taking into account is the Bitcoin going up in price, okay? So let's say Bitcoin right now is at, I believe, 53,000, 53,500, somewhere in that area, but 54,000. So let's say Bitcoin doubles. If I just hold on to this, that almost $400 month turns into almost $800. So not only can you mine this, and you could instantly sell it, and this is what you could make, but you could hold on to it. And if you hold on to it, the chances of you making more and more money is obviously pretty high, especially during this bull run that we're in right now. So realistically, I personally am not selling this. I'm going to hold on to all of my Bitcoin that I mine personally. Again, you don't have to, but I am going to hold on to it towards the end of the bull run and then liquidate it then. But guys, this is just a super easy, simple way to know how much money you could potentially make off of this. Now, even if you guys don't have a crazy computer, let's say you have something like I have another computer that I'm building with spare parts, just because, I mean, I literally just have them and I don't know what to do with them. I have an i5-9600K, and let's say you guys had a 2060, right? A decent computer that can handle the majority of things, not the best thing in the world, but let's see how much you could possibly be making. $2.50 a day. You're talking 87, let's call it $90 a month, guys, for doing nothing. And this is a mid-tier computer, right? This can handle a decent amount of stuff, but I mean, almost $100 a month doing little to nothing. I mean, that's incredible, absolutely incredible. So again, if you guys want to see how much money you could make, again, just type in a nice hash profitability calculator, and you guys can come through, you guys can do this, you guys can see how much money you could be earning. I mean, I can show you guys my account here. I've been mining for less than 3 days, I go to my rig manager. I've been mining for less than 3 days, and I am already at $30. I believe I've been mining for somewhere, man, I don't know, 50 hours. Yeah, 50, 55 hours in that ballpark. And my unpaid balance here, how much I currently have in my wallet. Again, this fluctuates with the price of Bitcoin, and my profitability right now. This constantly changes from anywhere from $7 all the way up to $20. So it obviously goes through and changes over time. But yeah, guys, this is just basically a way to figure out how much you guys can make and essentially free money if you guys have a computer that can run this program. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys make some money with this, and I hope you guys hodl because Bitcoin is looking pretty good for this next leg up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the hell out of you, and I'll see you in the next one.